Hi, my name is Sienna. I hope your day is running well. In the next few minutes you will learn how the setup for cost types in NCCA Cost Accounting with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central from Microsoft AppSource works. So let's go to the next slide and let me share a few lines before we dig into it. A central component of cost accounting is the NCCA chart of cost types. As a middle point of cost accounting, the NCCA chart of cost accounts helps record and organize of all costs incurred in the course of the settlement periods. The cost types in NCCA cost accounting correspond to the GL accounts in the general ledger. The cost types assist the recording of costs whose organization in the first line depends on the type of production factors used. To create and/or update the cost dimension values. The cost types can be created and/or updated based on the GL accounts, all other cost dimensions based on the dimension values of the related dimension. And now I think it's time to roll the session and show you how the setup cost types works. And for that, I open now Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So, we are now in Business Central. To help you get ready for doing business and open the NCCA Cost Accounting setup, use the light bulb here on the right, that is here. In the Tell Me What You Want to Do window, key NCCA Cost Accounting Setup in, and then select NCCA Cost Accounting Setup from the list below. In the NCCA Cost Accounting Setup card, in the Content area Cost Dimension Setup, click on the Show More options, in the line Cost Type, that is here. And then, from the list, select Create/Update. In the Create/Update Cost Types page, select all GL accounts from the list that you want to transfer. But of course, you can establish with filters which GL accounts will be transferred into cost accounts and created there as cost type, if you don't want all. I would like to transfer all GL accounts of the company, and that's why I select all lines here. Now that I have made all the settings that suit me, in my case I have select all lines, I click on Create. In the NCCA Create Cost Types window, you can set up methods for the Create job. The first one is the length of new cost types. Here you can enter how many places the numbers of the GL accounts in your chart of cost types should have. In the Cronus Demo Company, the GL accounts are 4 digits long. Since I don't want to change anything here, I also use 4 digits in the cost calculation, that's why I enter 4 here. The next field is called Cost Type Prefix. Sometimes it's cool to understand that the numbers on a particular report are coming from the cost accounting part of the solution, and not from, for instance, the GL accounts, and for that reason, I can choose a prefix. In my case I want CA for that prefix. NC Cost Accounting creates now, for example, a cost type called CA 0818 for the GL account 0815. So let me key in here CA, right? Okay, so looks fine. Let's click on OK and look what happens. Okay, the system is working on the creation. That can take a couples, depending on the number of GL accounts that you have in the system. Okay, fine, everything works so far as expected. 507 cost types created. Click on OK. And go back, here on the left. And via the list here, select the chart of cost dimension values. And with that, finally we have the list of cost types in NCCA Cost Accounting. Starting with the prefix CA is requested in 4 digits long. So thanks for watching me today. You can find more tutorials on our webpage www.navax.com. I hope you will enjoy giving us your business, as much as we enjoy taking you for a ride.